Hello everybody, this presentation is on solving an equation that I've written out here. 2x plus 7 equals minus 13. Now what we're going to do is use some inverses to get x on its own so we can figure out the value of x. I'll undo this plus 7 with a minus 7 on both sides. Now plus 7 and minus 7 are opposites. The minus undoes the plus and they should cancel out. That will leave us with 2x on the left hand side. Now minus 13, take away another 7 is minus 20. So now we're a step closer to answering the question. Now how can we undo this 2? Well, this is times by 2. Now the opposite of timesing something by 2 is dividing something by 2. So timesing by 2 and dividing something by 2, they will cancel out and leave an x on its own on the left hand side. Minus 20 divided by 2 is equal to minus 10. So x is equal to minus 10.